Hello students, we are doing chapter number 13 rectilinear figure exercise 13.2. In previous video we have done till question number 14 and now we are starting from question number 15. Using ruler and compass construct a rectangle ABCD with AB is 5 cm and AD is 3 cm. So we know opposite sides of rectangle will be equal. So if it is 3, this will be 3. If this AB is 5, then DC also will be 5 centimeter, and the all interior angle of rectangles are 90 degree. Now first of all we'll draw baseline AB 5 centimeter. At A or at B, at any one point we have to construct 90 degree angle. So first we will draw the semicircle. Then first arc is 60 degree, second arc is 120 degree. From 60 we will put one arc up, and from 120 one more arc. Both the arc will cancel at 90 degree angle. Now this side is 3 centimeter, B to C is 3. So take 3 centimeter arc, 3 centimeter distance in your compass, and from B put one arc. Wherever this arc will cancel, that is point C. Now we need point D. For that we can put from here 3 centimeter arc, and another arc will be 5 centimeter from C. So take 5 centimeter distance and from C put one more arc. This is point D. Now we can join A to D and C to D. Write all the measurement. AB is 5 centimeter, BC 3 centimeter, CD 5 centimeter, A to D 3 centimeter, and this angle we have constructed 90 degree. Question number 16. Using ruler and compass construct a rectangle each of whose diagonal is 6 centimeter and diagonals intersect at an angle of 45 degree. So first make a rough figure. ABCD is a rectangle. Angle between diagonal is 45 degree and both the diagonals are 6 centimeter. Means 3 centimeter here, 3 centimeter here. 3 centimeter this side, 3 centimeter this side. So first we will start with diagonal because we have only the diagonal information. So first of all 6 centimeter diagonal we will draw. A to C. Then we will take the midpoint of this diagonal. Midpoint will be 6, half will be 3. So we will take 3 centimeter distance in compass and we will mark midpoint. This is O. At this point we have to construct 45 degree angle. You can construct in any direction, this direction or this direction, it will be same. So first for 45 degree we have to draw 90 degree. First we will draw 90 degree. First semicircle. From here first arc will be 60 degree. Second arc will be 120 degree. Then from 60 put one arc, and from 120 degree another arc. Like this we will get 90 degree angle. Construct this 90 degree with the help of dot by dot line. This is 90 degree point, this is 0 degree point. So from 90 one arc and from 0 another arc. So this is equal to 45 degree. Now draw another diagonal and extend in both the direction. This diagonal also 6 centimeter. So 3 centimeter we will take and 3 centimeter arc in the up direction, 3 centimeter arc in down direction. So we will get another 2 points. This is point B and this is point D. Now we can complete this. We'll join A to B, then B to C, C to D and A to D. Right measurement. This is 45 degree. This diagonal is 6 centimeter and this another diagonal also 6 centimeter. Question number 17. Using ruler and compass only, construct a square having a diagonal of length 5 centimeter. Measure its side correct to nearest millimeter. So first we will draw a rough figure ABCD. Diagonals are given 5 centimeter. So this diagonal and this diagonal both will be 5 centimeter. So it will divide half. 2.5 this centimeter, 2.5 centimeter this side. Same way here, 2.5 this side and 2.5 this side. Now the angle between these two diagonals will be 90 degree. For rhombus and for square, diagonals bisect at 90 degree. So this angle we will take 90 degree. Here also it will be 90 degree. Here also 90 and this side also 90 degree. So the construction will be like same last question. We will start with the diagonal. First, any one diagonal we will draw which is equal to 5 centimeter. Then we will mark the midpoint. Half of 5 is 2.5. So 2.5 we will mark. This is point A, this is C and this is midpoint of AC O. Now at this point we have to construct 90 degree angle. So any one direction we can construct 90 degree angle. First 60 degree, second arc is 120 degree. From 60 put one arc in up direction and from 120 another arc. So after bisecting 60 and 90 we will get 90 degree. Now this is another diagonal which we can extend in both the direction. Another diagonal also same length. So we will take 2.5 centimeter in compass and up direction and down direction. We will cut. This is point B. This is point D. Now we have to join these points A to B, B to C, C to D and A to D. Next, in question they have given measure its side correct to the nearest millimeter. So any one side we have to measure and tell. It is coming 3.5 centimeter. So AB is equal to nearly 3.5 centimeter. Write its measurement also. This is 90 degree. This diagonal is 5 centimeter and this another diagonal also 5 centimeter. Question number 18. Using ruler and compass only, construct a rhombus ABCD given that AB is 5 centimeter, AC is 6 centimeter. Because it is a rhombus, so all four sides will be equal. If AB is given 5, so BC also will be 5, CD also will be 5 and AD also will be 5 centimeter. This diagonal AC is given 6 centimeter. Now we will start its construction. First of all, baseline we will draw 5 centimeter. A to B 5 centimeter. Now from B we have to put 5 centimeter arc, and from A we have to put 6 centimeter arc. So first we will take 5 centimeter distance in compass and one arc we will put. Then for another arc take 6 centimeter distance in compass and put another arc. Wherever these two arcs will cancel, that is point C. Join A to B, join B to C and A to C. Now to find out this point D, again from A 5 centimeter arc, from C 5 centimeter arc. So take 5 centimeter distance from point C, put one arc, and from point A also one more arc. So this is the point D. Now we can join A to D and D to C. Write all the measurement. This is 5 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter. This diagonal is 6 centimeter. Now in question they have given measure angle BAT. So BAT means this angle we have to measure. So with the help of protractor we will measure. Keep your protractor, join the center point and baseline, and you can see it is coming nearly 105 degree. So angle BAD is equal to 105 degree. Question number 19. Using ruler and compass only, construct a rhombus ABCD with sides of length 4 cm and diagonal AC 5 cm. Measure angle ABC. So this is similar to last question. All the four sides are given 4 cm. One diagonal is given 5 cm. So first we will draw baseline AB 4 cm. Now to find out this point C, first we have to put one arc from B 4 cm and 5 cm from A. So first we will take 4 or 5, any 1 centimeter. So first 5 centimeter arc from A and then 4 centimeter arc from B. This is point C. Join B to C and A to C. To find out this point D, we have to put one arc from A 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter from C. So 4 centimeter distance, with 4 centimeter distance put one arc here, and again from A, wherever these two arcs will cancel, that is point D. And this point you have to join with A and C. Write all the given measurement. All the sides are 4 centimeter. Diagonal is 5 centimeter. Now in question they have asked us measure angle ABC. ABC means this angle. So keep your protractor at B, join baseline and measure this angle. It is coming nearly 77 or 78 degree. So this angle is equal to 77 degree. Angle ABC is equal to 78 degree. So in this video we are doing till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.